Hello guys, here we are doing paper 2017 summer paper May.June, paper 2-1, paper 2. Here we have documentation, data manipulation and presentation. First we will do documentation. Here from page number 2, you work for a company called Tavara Summer Schools. You are going to perform some clerical tasks for this company. So task 1 is all about evidence document first of all. So open the file evidence J217 evidence.rtf. So make sure we have to give our name, center number, candidate number. That will appear on every page of your document, but it is not said whether it should be in header or footer. Okay, let's take it in header. Save this as a word processor document in our folder in our work area as the file name, and we have to add our candidate number. Okay, then we have to keep aside. Now let's do this part. Go to the folder 2017 paper 2-1 evidence. We have to open. Here we will take in header, so insert header of 3 columns. We'll take of 3 columns. The first one, our name, center number, then candidate number. Okay, so this will appear on every page as well. So if you go to the next page, you'll see there. Okay, fine. Now we have to save this as a Word document in the same folders. Yeah, in the same folder. This is the folder I have to save, and I have to type in the file name and candidate number, and as a save type as MS Word 972003 document. Okay, so this we will need later, so we can just save it and minimize and keep. Now let's go to the question paper. Task 2, you're going to edit an information sheet for Tavara Summer Schools. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles should be created and applied as introduced. Fine. Using a suitable software package, open the file J217 brochure.rtf. So in the folder brochure.rtf, this is the one we have to open. Okay, fine. Next, do not change the paper size, orientation, or margin settings. We should not change it. Okay, save the document in your work area with the file name Thesis leaflet. Let's copy this. We have to save this above file, this file as this. Okay, make sure it is saved in the format of the software we are using. Okay, and place it in your evidence document, a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is an evidence of the file type as well. Okay, now we will go to Word document, and here I have to save the same file as the name given there, what we copied. Just will paste it and save type as Word 972003 document in the same folder. Make sure you're saving it in the same folder. Okay, now we have to go to folder. We have to get an evidence. If you see here, place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. So in our folder, we have to see the listing of the file where it is listed. Okay, so here where it is listed, this is the one it's listed, and we have to show that type as well clearly. Fine. See here, Microsoft Word 97-2003 document. This is needed. Now let me open my light shot. So I will take a screenshot of it. Screenshot that is there in the folder like this. Fine. And I'll use color to just highlight it where it has been saved, and even it's what is that, the file type you can see over here. Okay, just copy. Now we'll go to evidence and let's paste it. Okay, this is one. Save. Now let's go to the question paper. This is done. Place in the header of the file, this one, just now what we saved, your name, center number, candidate number, left aligned, automated page number, right aligned. Okay, so here now we'll open insert, header, 3 column, left align, 3 are there, 3 values, left align, name, center number, candidate number. This left align. Okay, just delete this, we don't need. Now here, automated page number. Okay, automated page number. You see, whenever we open header, automatically header and footer, the menu opens up. Okay, automatically it opens up and it got all its options. Now we come over here, the third option, just first select this type here towards extreme right. Now click on page number. Sorry, here, quick paths. We'll go to the quick paths. Okay, since it's a to extreme right, so we have to do this one. Quick paths, field, go down to page, just a page, page, and format. You can select any one you want, or a default format will come automatically. Okay, I'll choose this one. Okay, now you see here, you just double click outside of the margin. Now see, on the second page it's updated to 2, and on third page it will be 3. It will continue like this. So that's towards the right. Yeah. Place in the footer the automated file name and a path right aligned in the footer. Okay, go down to the footer. Here, insert, footer, extreme right it is. Just wait. Okay. Extreme right it is. Just we can delete other two, only this one we need. It is file name with path. Select in the footer. Now again go to quick paths, field, file, F, file name, add path to file name. Done. It is quite long, so just adjust here like this. Save the work. Now the question paper is in the footer, it is right aligned. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No other text or placeholders are included in the header and the footer area. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. So here it's aligned exactly, the footer and the text, even the header and the text on the extremes, it's aligned. And yes, on other page also it's done. Create the following paragraph styles. House style specifications. Here we have the corporate styles, we call them. We create our own styles for applying on the text what we got. Here these are all the specifications, and let's copy the first one. Copy, select and copy. Select and copy. Now for this, always make sure keep the cursor out of the text, somewhere in the blank page. Okay, away from the text, away from this text, somewhere in the blank. Click there and leave it. Now let's start creating the styles. Here, go to the styles, down arrow key, the button, and create a style. So here, paste what you brought, the first one, modify. Now go to the paper, serif font 24, center. Here Microsoft we can use serif font 24 and center align. This is center. Look at this. This is center. Bold all caps, single. So it's bold. So that will set all caps. We have to go to all the capitals, format, font. Here we have to check this all caps. Okay, now what else? We have single line spacing 0 and 11. Single line spacing is already selected. Now go to spacing, format, paragraph. So here 0, and this one, other one is 11 after. Okay, and okay, we can see title is appearing over there. Okay, 1, make sure your cursor is outside every time you do that. Second one, subtitle. Select the whole text, copy. Here styles, down arrow, create a style, paste, modify. Its specifications are like serif 16 right, serif is there 16, and this is right. Then italic single 00. Here we have to change, see all capitals are coming, we have to change that to no small letters, or just uncheck this all caps. Okay, now other stuff we have to check. Italics single, so this is italic, single line spacing, and 00 before after spacing 0. Okay, okay. Now the third one will go for subhead, TSS subhead, copy the title, then go to styles, down arrow, create a style, paste, modify. Serif 14 center. Serif, this should be 14 and center. Italic underline. These are bold, we have to uncheck. Italic and underline more we need. Single 011. Single spacing and single line spacing, and here before after 0 and 11. Okay, okay, we got a third style as well. Now we'll go for the fourth one, TSS body. Select, copy. Now style, down arrow, create a style, paste, modify. Sans serif 11 justified. Sans serif 11 only, 11 justified. We have to uncheck this all. Yeah, no enhancement at all. Single 0 11. So no enhancement at all here. And single line spacing, and before after we have 0 and 11. Yeah, it's appearing there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, fourth one also we got. Make sure the cursor is outside. Last one, thesis body. Select, copy, then styles, down arrow, create a style, paste, modify. Sans serif 11 left. Sans serif 11, now it's left. None and single, nothing, no enhancement. Single line is already there. And here under paragraph, we have spacing 0 before and 0 after. Okay. Okay. Now all the styles are done perfectly. We can see all the styles appearing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are all done. Place in your evidence document screenshots to show all the settings for the TSS subhead style only. Which is the subhead? This one. Right click on it, modify. Just move this dialog aside so that we can fit in another dialog which is coming up when we open this format paragraph. Yeah, even its settings are needed. Yes, you can just set up like this, or just what we can do, just move it over here. Okay, and now you can open and just keep it like this. Okay, now we have to take a screenshot. Press print screen button on your keyboard and just crop how much is needed. Copy. We have to close this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is what we have here. This is not here. Okay, this one. Right? Done. Save the work and let's go to the question paper. This is done. Apply the TSS title style to the title Tawara Summer Schools. Okay. So we have to go to the top. Here, this is the title. Select it. Go to the title here. Next. Below the title, add the subtitle produced by. Okay, till here, select, copy, then come to the document and just here insert the cursor just in the beginning, every E before E, then press enter, again click above. Now paste what you brought. Then we have to type in our name. Okay. Apply TSS subtitle to this. TSS subtitle. Okay. Select it. Subtitle. Save the work. Apply the TSS body style to the rest of the document. Okay, the whole document we have to select. We have to select. Okay, just till the text only. Now TSS body, this one. Fine. Change the page layout so that the subheading International Community onwards, the following text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between them. So from here onwards, about 2 paragraphs we have to leave. Okay, from here we have to select till the end, and we have to change the layout to two columns. Select, now layout, columns, more columns, select 2, and spacing is 1 cm. Yeah. Okay, this is all done. Identify the 8 subheadings in the document and apply the Thesis subhead style to each one. Okay, there are 8 subheadings. First, let's start with this one. Where is my style? Subheading. Fine. Select and hold down the control key as well. Now, and leave the control key. Hold down the control key. Select. Now leave control key. Hold down control key. The third one. Hold down control key now. Hold down control key. Leave. Hold down control key. When you're selecting it, we have to hold down the control key. Otherwise, when we are scrolling up and down, we have to leave the control key. Now, I left already control key. Now I'm holding down here. Okay, all the subheadings I selected. Now we can apply at once. Here, subheading for all. Yes. Fine. Insert a row after history in the table and enter the following details into this row. We have to insert one separate row after history. Okay, where is it? Here, after history, after this. Where is the table? Here is the table. Select. No, just for no visibility, we can just once take all borders. Where's what? We can see it clearly. Now after this, they want a new record to be inserted, so we have to click in the inside the row somewhere. Go to layout and insert row below. Okay, this is what we got. Now we have to insert literature. Copy this, paste here, literature, some amount, copy, paste, and one value as well, copy, and here we have to paste. See the work once. We can just highlight them. Format the first row of the table to be first row, bold and italic. First row, where is first row? This is the one. Okay, home, bold and italic. Center aligned over 3 columns. That means we have to select all. Fine, and we have to go to layout, merge cells, and we have to make it center. Home, click paragraph, center, alignment. Shaded with a light gray background, 20 to 40%. This one, it's a background we have to. Row, okay, along with the text. Now go to table design. Here you see table design. under shading, the gray color they want. See there, the percentage as well, it's coming darker, 5%, 35%. Yeah, 20 to 40, right? 20 to 40. Okay, let's take 25. Okay, this is done. Make sure that the table fits within the column width. The Thesis table style is applied to 2 to 8 rows of the table. Now it has to fit in the column width. It's fitting in the column width, fine. And we have to apply 2 to rest all columns. Home table, this. Okay. All text in column 1 display on single line. See here we got column 1, only column 1. So this is the column 1. The whole text is single. Yes, it is in single line. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Yeah, already we set it for visibility, but it's there to keep it, those grid lines, when it's printed. Adjust this. If you want, we can have on single line the headings are there, and then we can just push it a bit. Okay, save the work. 12 is done. Using the data in the table, in the file J217nationalities.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the number of students from each country for the year 2016. Number of students from each country. Okay, we have to go to our folder now. J217 nationalities, this one we have to open in Excel. Select, right click, open with Excel. Yeah, number of students in 2016 only they want. Okay, only in 2016 they want. Okay, so we will select those two columns only, first column and the last column. Okay, and we have to go for bar chart. Insert. Here charts we have, these are all bar charts. Just click the down arrow and then we can select whatever we want. Here you see. Okay, done. Label the chart with the title Student Nationality. Select and copy. Here. Select and paste. Label the category axis with the title Country. Select and copy. Category axis. This is category. Okay, now here you see add chart elements, axis titles, vertical and horizontal. This is primary, Horizontal, here we have to paste in categories. Axis as a country, fine. Here, select and paste. Do not display a legend. Whether legend is appearing? No, there is no legend. If you see here, chart title, legends, none. Okay, no legend at all. Okay, from here to here, we can just select, highlight. Format the value axis scale to display a maximum value of 1200. It's a axis, value axis, it is scale. Axis there, axis title, chart title, that's all. Okay, right click, here, select, right click, format axis. How much, what is the maximum value? Is 1200, increments of 300. It's, this one is 1200. Okay, then next increments of 300. Increments of 300 we have to enter in this. Under units, under meter, we have to enter 300. Okay, see, you can see the values from 0 to 1200, in the range of 300, 0, 300, 600, 900, 1200. It goes like that. Okay, yeah, this is done. So even here, just like we have axis horizontal, even we have one axis vertical as well. Here, axis title vertical, just we can write what is this, what is that actually. It is the to show the number of students. It's number of students. We can write number of students. Okay, fine. Now, what we have to do the next? This is done. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending. Students, here students came from in something. Okay, let's copy that. Now go to the document. Then we have to find out, where is it? Find, enter the text. After this, okay, click the cursor over here. After this, enter and close this. Now we have to go to Excel and just select, right click, copy, and where the cursor is blinking, paste. Okay, now go to the paper. Make sure that the chart fits within the column width. All data labels are displayed in full. All the data labels are displayed in full and it fits in the column width perfectly. So save it. 17 is done. Import the image J217 test.jpg. Place this below the subheading language requirements. Okay, I'm just subheading only so that it's easy. Let's go there. Where is the language subheading? Here, language requirements. Just insert the cursor, click the cursor before the paragraph, press enter and go to the above. Now we'll go to insert pictures. We have to go to our folder. Where is our 2017 folder? 17 May.June 21. Which one? This one, test. Okay. Reflect the image so it looks like this. Means the paper holder came towards the right. Okay. Select. Here you see rotate. Yes, this one. Resize the image so that it is 4 centimeters wide. Select width is 4 centimeters. Width is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters. Next, we have to maintain the aspect ratio as usual. Just here aspect ratio is logged. Select it. Align the image to the top of the paragraph starting all summer school teachings, something left of the column. So if you see there where it has to be, it will look like this in the image. Okay, right click, format. Now come to the layout. Okay, select tight and left. Okay, even we can just insert it so that it will fit there. Exactly. Okay, this is all done. Yeah, this is also done. Spell check and proofread the document. Okay, and this all widows, orphans. There are no blank pages. Image and graph are placed within the column width. Placing between all items is consistent. Spacing. So save the document. Okay, that we have to check from the beginning. Just click this one and check every space is given before and after. One space it is. One space each. Okay, this is fine. Just click it back. And any widows or orphans, how this is to be 14. Okay, so there are no widows or orphans in the document. Fine, so we can just minimize and you can see that. Okay, fine. Say the work when we go for the printing. See, these two will be printed. No, this is an empty page. Okay. Delete the empty page there. Delete the empty page. So now there are only 2 pages. Okay, it's done. You can see there 2 pages. 2 pages appearing here. Okay, done.